Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope everybody is safe and sound. I am your geo teacher and this is our fourth video class. In previous classes we have discussed about the introduction of world map, the world in facts and introduction to continent Europe. Today the topic which we are going to discuss today is the United Kingdom, which is commonly known as UK. It is the largest island country of continent Europe. First of all, we will discuss the facts about United Kingdom. The capital यानी कि दारुल खिलाफा, the capital of UK is London. The currency of UK is pound sterling. The religion of UK is Christianity and the language of UK is English. The famous landmarks. Do you know what is meant by landmark? First we will define what is landmark. Landmark is a visible symbol of a country or city. It can be any structure, natural or man-made, like a mountain, tower, building, etc. मीन्स किसी भी जगह का, किसी भी सिटी या किसी भी मुल्क का कोई भी पॉपुलर मॉन्यूमेंट या सिंबल, ऐसी जगह जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा मशहूर हो और प्रोमिनेंट हो, वो कोई आर्टिफिशियल भी हो सकती है, वो कोई नेचुरल भी हो सकती है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल माउंटेन्स वगैरह भी हो सकते हैं या फिर कोई टावर और बिल्डिंग भी हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. द टू इम्पॉर्टेंट लैंडमार्क्स ऑफ यूके आर द बिग बैन एंड the Tower Bridge. This is Big Ben, which is a clock tower, and it is one of the best known landmark of United Kingdom. It's the other landmark of UK, Tower Bridge, which is also in London. UK and Tower Bridge are the two important landmarks of United Kingdom. This is fish and chips, which is the famous food of UK. यानी यहाँ की जो मशहूर खुराक है या यहाँ की जो सबसे फेमस फूड है वो है fish and chips. This is Buckingham Palace, which is the home of Queen, यानी रानी का महल. Buckingham Palace. पैलेस महल को कहते हैं. The two famous and renowned universities, Oxford University and Cambridge Universities, University of Oxford and Cambridge University, both universities are in London. This is the image of Oxford University. Now let me show you the Cambridge University image. It's the Cambridge University. ये दोनों यूनिवर्सिटीज़ जो है दुनिया की बहुत ही मशहूर और जानी और मानी गई यूनिवर्सिटीज़ है. Now open your books, come to page number 14, United Kingdom. First of all, what are the facts? London is the capital of United Kingdom. Pound sterling is the currency of UK. Christianity यानी कि ईसाईयत is the religion of UK and English is the language of UK. UK is made up of 4 nations: England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. England is the largest one. Scotland is famous for its golf courses. Let me show you the image. These are the golf courses of Scotland. Golf is a game. Below is the picture of England. It is also known as this picture is of Lake District, and England is the largest kingdom of United Kingdom. The important cities of UK are Birmingham, Manchester, Edinburgh and Glasgow. Manchester is a historical city while Edinburgh is a castle city. It is very famous for its castles. It is separated from the continent Europe by the English Channel Sea. Rain is very common here at any time of the year, so the country is very lush green. The capital London is the second most important city in the world. The first important city of the world is the New York in USA. UK has the world's top class universities like Oxford and Cambridge University. UK has many historic buildings and world famous museums. The fish and chips is the national dish of UK. Big Ben and Tower Bridge in London are the important landmarks and symbol of UK. Buckingham Palace in London is the home of the Queen. Thames River flows through the centre of London. Scotland is famous for its beautiful lush green mountains and golf courses. Cricket and football are popular games in UK and were also invented there. Understand? Now I will show you the location of United Kingdom on the map of continent Europe. In your book, come to page number 12 and 13. On page number 12 and 13, you have the map of continent Europe. There is a map. In this map, you will find all the countries of continent Europe. You will have to find out where is UK. UK is in the west of continent Europe. This is the location of UK. It's United Kingdom. You can see it is separated from the continent with English Channel Sea. And it is an island country, the largest island country of continent Europe. It is separated into 4 different countries: England, Scotland, Wales and Ireland. England is the largest one. The national color of UK is blue, red and white. And the lion is the national animal of United Kingdom. UK is actually a country with a diverse and multi-ethnic population. यानी यहाँ पे बहुत सारी आबादी के लोग, यहाँ पर ज़्यादातर लोग जो हैं वो डिफरेंट कल्चर्स, डिफरेंट सोसाइटीज़ से बिलोंग करते हैं. एंड पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड मेड UK देयर होम. यानी यहाँ पे हर तरह का इंसान, हर मुल्क से आया हुआ इंसान, हर मज़हब से बिलोंग करने वाला इंसान आपको मिलेगा. ठीक है. Now we will have to locate the United Kingdom in world map, as this is the world map. On this world map you will find UK. Where is UK? This is a complete world map and this is the location of United Kingdom right in the west of continent Asia and UK. अभी हमने आपकी बुक में भी UK को लोकेट किया है, तो अब इस वर्ल्ड मैप में इसको लोकेट करना मुश्किल नहीं होगा. You will have to focus on continent Europe and then in the west of continent Europe you will find United Kingdom here in the west. Understand? This is the location of UK. I hope that you people understand the topic, facts about United Kingdom, the information about United Kingdom. Our next topic will be the landmark of UK. We will discuss it in detail. Stay home, stay safe, study at home. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.